Now, the Maverick is sure. I heard Coach Stephen Francis saying something recently that somehow got blown away with the wind. Coach Francis was asked about the chances of Shericka Jackson getting close or even breaking the world records in the 100 and the 200. And Frano basically said, if the conditions are right, implying that it is very possible that the MVP star could get those elusive records. Now, obviously, Coach Francis is seeing Shericka Jackson day in, day out in training. And for him to be so positive about the possibility of her breaking those records is very instructive. Me not sure though, Frano. Shericka is at 10.76 in the 100, some distance away from the 10.49. In her better event, the 200, she's at 21.55, still a little ways off the 21.34. For her to get those records, it would mean a big leap instead of the usual steady progression. Not saying she can't do it, but even with the great Stephen Francis in her corner, running on that bouncy Oregon track, we still feel it's too much for Shericka to do right now to get those records. Now, let me put it this way. If those records are going to go, it will be one or two other Jamaicans who will break them, and not Shericka Jackson. My God.